Hi guys, it's ledaddz here, aka addispottahhs. Today I'm just gonna be showing you how you can get a bio like mine. I made mine, but if you don't have fonts and things, there's ways you can find some, such as my video. If you scroll down a bit, I don't know where it is. Oh, here. 2,000 people saw it and 654 people actually care to like it. As you can see, there's only 41 comments, but there's actually a lot of good things down here. There's actually really good things that you could use. There's static bios, captions, and all sorts. This could be really useful to a lot of people, because they might not be able to get any fonts or anything. Also, another thing you can type up is all static fan pages, check the comments, and then check the comments. There's aesthetic emojis, aesthetic bios, aesthetic captions, and everything. It's actually really, really cool. Look, free bios, bingo, these things. I don't know what they're called, but yeah. As you can see, there's lots of symbols, bios. I think it might help a lot of you. Yeah, it actually might help a lot of you. And I just want to help you in case you can't actually find any. There's captions and all sorts in here. This is not nice. A clown message. Okay, that's not, let's not talk about that. That's not very nice. Look, there's many videos that you can get aesthetic symbols and things from the comments, and tutorials on how they do their videos. I have been doing tutorials on how I do my videos, but they've all been ruined, and they've all just stopped in the middle of it. Also, if you want to find aesthetic sounds, just type up aesthetic. Oh, I fell a second. I can't even talk now. Aesthetic sounds. Usually I go on users for fan pages. I follow this person that does amazing sounds. I think I follow them anyway. I'm just gonna. Yeah, I don't think I do follow them, but I use a lot of my sounds from them, so I'm gonna. Yeah, this is the person here, and they have 59k. It's amazing. Aesthetic tunes, yeah. And all I do is I just save the sound, even if I don't like it. I save it in case I need it. I just save it even though I might not need it. I've saved a lot of these, but a lot of them I haven't, so I'm just going to keep saving them all. And you can do the same. If I can, I will try to do a tutorial on how I do my videos if my mum doesn't keep on interrupting it and making me cry because she's ruined it. Like, she's not hurting me or anything, but she's just like, when she goes to the bathroom, she just shouts me and like annoys me because she winds me up. Like, she knows it and I know it. Like, sometimes it's funny. And I've told her a million times that I'm doing a video, and she went, "Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I'm being silly now, aren't I?" And I'm like, "Yeah." But anyway, I still love my mum. Oh, no, get off. Anyway, that's how I get aesthetic sound and aesthetic symbols. Like my captions and that. Yeah, I'll try make a thumbnail if I can, anyway. But if this helps you, please go and like visit my TikTok or watch some of my videos. Thank you guys.